Hey guys, it's Nina here. So I saw this makeup look on the magazine and I thought it was really nice, and I thought of duplicating it, and this is what it looks like. I put on some faux freckles in there. This is what it came out to, and I think it's nice. So if you want to know how to do this look, keep watching. With the foundation, I'm using a light to medium coverage. So I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation in warm tan. And then I'm just gonna put this. This is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. I'm gonna put this on the high points of my face. Concealer. This is by Huda Beauty. This one is their new concealer, the Overachiever Concealer. And for the eyes, I'm gonna use this new palette by Urban Decay. So this is Born to Run. Look at those colors. All the colors that I want, like, it's in here. Like if I'm gonna be traveling, and I think that's what this palette is for. If I'm gonna be traveling, this is the palette that I'm gonna grab for sure. I'm gonna use my ring finger to put the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this while the heart. Now I'm just gonna use this brush and get this one still shot, and just blend it here on my crease. Then I'm gonna get Blaze and put it right in the middle of my lid. You can use a brush too if you want, but yeah, I don't know, I just want to use my fingers right now. And then I'm just gonna go in with this brush again and blend that. For the eyes, I'm just gonna put this pencil eyeliner. I didn't set my face. Okay, I'm just gonna set my concealer. I forgot to do that with this Laura Mercier eye brightening powder. There you go. There you go. So let me just pop in my lashes and I'll come back. I don't know if you know this. This is the False Lashes Maximizer by MAC. I want to put it under my eyes to make my lower lashes longer. It's a really Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Spider eyes look. For the eyebrows, I'm using pencil this time because I want to make my eyebrows really thick. Brush that up. And now you have to put a little bit of a faux freckle. I'm using, let's see if this works. I'm using this lip pencil and then I'm just gonna set it with a powder. I'm using Oak and Cork for my faux freckles. Let's see. So I'm just gonna put dots randomly. Okay, and then the other color, Oak, the lighter one. Let me put some blush on. I'm using this one. Where we put that freckles. Contour using Hula. Right, and then just to finish the eyes, I'm using this Egg Lips stick shadow. It's like a highlighter shadow. So I'm just putting it on my inner tear duct. And just to intensify that, I'm putting over highlighter by Huda. I'm using Zanzibar. Now using my fan brush, first let me put Zanzibar here a little bit on my cheeks. With my fan brush, let's highlight. Very important. Like I said, I always mix these two together because that's the perfect shade for me. For the lips, I'm using this one by Vice. This one is in Benjamin. Then I'm putting this Paris Ink Velvet inside just to create that gradient. So what do you guys think? Do you think you can pull off a Faux Freckles? Faux Freckles on a Morena? Yes, you can. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love that you've given me so far. I hope that you continue to support me as I grow this channel. And if you have some suggestions for me, if you want me to do any makeup looks, I'll try and do them. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to do more of the fashion videos, I have some of that coming soon as well. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, suggest, talk to me. We'll make it happen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling. Come on.